regression or linear regression, classical approach. And now we are going to learn how to find out the two means x bar and y bar when we have the two equations of the lines of regression available. As we know that the point of intersection of two lines of regression, rather the coordinates at the point of intersection of the two lines of regression is made up of two means. That means the value of x and y at the point of intersection is exactly equal to x bar and y bar, or in other words, the two lines of regression intersect each other at their means. So, if we use this property of the lines of regression, we just have to solve these two equations, because if we solve the two equations, we find the values of x and y at the point of intersection. That means these values of x and y are the coordinates of point of intersection. So we just need to solve these two equations. Every time when you need to find out means from the available lines of regression or equations of lines of regression, just solve the two equations. Value of x is x bar or mean of variable x, and value of y is y bar or mean of variable y. Let's solve these two equations. First of all, let us make this 22 or minus 22 subject. So it will be 5y minus 9x equals to minus 22. And here it will be 20x minus 9y equals to 350. Let us arrange minus 9x plus 5y equals to minus 22. Okay, now what should we do? See, here it is 5y and it is 9y. So if we multiply this equation by 9 and this by 5 and then solve them, we can have the values of x and y very easily. So multiplied by 9 will be minus 81x plus 45y equals to minus 198. And let us multiply this by 5. So it will be 100x minus 45y equals to 1750. Now let us solve these two. This is just addition. Say this is equation number 2, this is equation number 1. Let us have equation number 2 plus 1. 100x minus 45y equals to 1750 minus 81x plus 45y equals to minus 198. If we add these, there will be no change in sign. So minus 45y and plus 45y can be cancelled. 100 minus 81 equals to 19x equals to 1750 minus 198, that will be 1552. So x is 1552 divided by 19. So x is approximately 81.684, and that means mean of x or x bar or bar x is 81.684. Now we know that this is the line of regression of y on x because y is the subject of the formula. So if we substitute this value of x into this equation, the result will be mean of y or y bar. 5y equals to 9x minus 22, therefore y equals to 9x minus 22 upon 5, therefore y equals to 1.8x minus 4.4, therefore y bar equals to 1.8x bar minus 4.4. that is 1.8 into 81.684 minus 4.4. So it will be 142.631. If we believe that these are the two lines of regression based on these two equations, if we assume that the value of x and y here are respectively 81.684 and 142.631. So simply by solving the two equations, by any technique, you can use any technique to solve these two equations. For example, I used elimination technique. You can use any technique which you believe you know very well. Just find out values of x and y, they are respectively x bar and y bar. That's it. Thank you very much.